So today I've got a lot to do, so I'm going to use the crock pot. I've not used it in probably, I don't know, a long time. But I need something that I can just leave it alone. So I have got some pork. It's pork ribs that I've chopped up into smaller pieces. I'm gonna dump that. This is gonna be a meal for two people. Okay, so I'm gonna dump that in there. I'm going to add a can of new potatoes. So I'm gonna dump that in there. Now I'm going to add. This is Moore's marinade. Sometimes I have Dale's. Either one is great. Or if you don't have that, even Worcestershire sauce will work. Um, so I'm going to put probably about 2 tablespoons or so in there. A little extra salt. You don't want too much salt because the marinade, the Moore's and Dale's is already salted. A little salt. This is going to be real simple but very fast for me. Putting it together. I also have Cajun style seasoning mix because we like ours with a little bit of kick, a little bit of heat. So I'm going to put probably a half a teaspoon in there. I'm going to mix all that together just so that I get all of that seasoning all over everything. And the juice from the Moors and then the juice from the meat and the potatoes, everything will be fine. That's it. So I am going to put a top on that and I'm going to cook it on low because it's going to be a little while before I need it. So, and I will come back in probably about 3 or 4 hours. I'll let you know for sure when I come back. Okay, I'm back. So my supper is finished, but I wanted to let you know that because it was smaller chunks of pork and because the canned whole potatoes are parboiled, so they are already pretty much halfway cooked. It only took 2 hours on low in my crock pot. I made a little thing of cornbread to go with it. And so there's the finished. Mm, mm. And it is so good. So give it a try and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.